Plug it in.
So I want to let everybody know, everyone that's up there in my moderator stand right there, everybody that's a mod right now, the reason that they are mod is because they're on medication and they have to be watched. They're on medication, I have to watch them. That's why they are on medication, because they have some type of retardation or something. Like those women up there in my mod, the women up there in my mod thing, the reason why they're up there is because they all have sexual addiction. They can't stop sucking dick. And they have to be up there because they're on medication. They're on medication. Alright? They're on medication to control their urges to blow the fucking meat off of somebody's balls and their dick hair. One time I circumcised a man. He was not circumcised. And he kept bothering me, and he kept bothering me, and he kept bothering me, and bugging me, and he was bugging me and bothering me. And I gave him a blowjob. I blew up. I motherfucking circumcised him right there. He didn't even know his shit was circumcised. He called me the next day and said, "Did you circumcise me?" My dick was not circumcised. I used to have meat that covered the head of my dick. I woke up this morning, my dick meat was gone. Where did you do with my dick meat? Did you eat it? He thought I ate his dick meat. Something wrong with my... bitches. Don't be trying to hack me. Anyway. No, I didn't eat a dick, okay? It was an accident. Fuck you, crazy white boy. It wasn't my fault. If you don't... Okay, crazy white boy. If somebody don't want a good blowjob, don't come to me. Go somewhere else. If you don't want to get if you're uncircumcised and you want to be circumcised, don't come. You don't want to be circumcised, don't come to me. I'm only doing a job. Don't get mad at me because I'm doing my job right. I can't help that I'm doing my job right. That's what a bitch is supposed to do. You put it in your mouth, you blow the meat off of it. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Huh? You want me to just leave it sitting there? No. That's how many neglected dicks go, they go neglected, they get wild, they go off, that's how your dick gets neglected and goes wild off. I mean myself, I'm not going, no. No, that's how your man be walking around like this in face, and then another bitch will see him walking around looking fucked up like that, and she will blow the meat off. And then your man will be going off with that bitch. Oh, no, fuck y'all. Talk shit about blood if you want to. No, hell no, no, no. The reason why this man right here is gone, you wanna know why he's gone? Because he's a homosexual. And he likes little children. He don't like grown-ass women, okay? Ask somebody. It's a few of them probably in this room right now that done left it with me and done had their fucking meat blown off their goddamn dick. Ask them. Dumb. I'm gonna sit back down. I'm gonna let y'all ask them. Turn off the light. Ask them. Tell them! Okay, I'm back. Anyway, alright? I'm back. I know your name, okay? I know your name, alright? But you are first of all, it's not Demon. I don't know why people say his name is Insane Demon. You can't read, motherfuckers. His name is Insane Damon. That says Damon. D-A-E-M-O-N. Okay? No, that's not how you spell demon. You're retarded. You're fucking retarded. That's not how you spell demon.
What is about spelling demon?
No, you're retarded. Don't. No, that's wrong. You show me.
Just the British spelling, you tired.
Get me. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you both. Okay?
You
Fuck you both. I hope you okay? I hope your girlfriend uses her teeth when she sucks your fucking dick. Alright? I hope your dickhead is fucked up. Get me the link that shows me the pronunciation to that. Go on. I don't want to hear nobody else tell me. Okay? I don't give a fuck. Put the link there. Put the motherfucking link there. Put the goddamn link there that shows me. Come on. With the pronunciation. Come on, come on, come on. No, the fuck you ain't eating my pom-pom. And you know what happens when people put their face on my pom-pom and you wasn't invited? Get the fuck out of here. No, I want to see it from a dictionary. You just put that there.
Hey there. Appetite. Are you okay, Blunt? Blunt just failed.
You got a tornado right there.
That ain't even a tornado. I don't even know what that is.
See,
What's wrong, Blunt?
Just because someone start talking to you and like you ain't got to go home with an American.
Well, it says that the ancient Greek, it was Damon. Okay?
Oh, crap.
I don't like the word. You're a fucking motherfucker, though. I'm looking at it. It don't say it's a demon. It says...
That's what you...
Crazy, I will pimp slap your face. You like him?
Mm-hmm.
No, it says that I'm looking at it. It says it's a demon. I don't like that name. You're a motherfucker, and I don't want to talk to you about that shit. You're demonic, and I don't like it.
Learn to read. Ooh. Shut you down.